The Queen of Granada, by M. Riff. Chapter 8, Uganda. Initially, the teacher presented some slides from Africa borrowed from the library. The initial images depicted straw huts surrounded by green banana plants in Uganda. He explained slowly in English that Ugandans referred to bananas as matoke and consumed them like potatoes after cooking. Apparently, bananas were as integral to Ugandan cuisine as potatoes were in Denmark. This depiction of banana plants and straw huts became etched in Rita's memory. Upon leaving Denmark, she held an expectation to encounter a similar scene in Spain. However, she found herself surprised when reaching Malaga. Instead of straw huts, the surroundings featured white houses with red roofs nestled amidst large green trees in well-tended gardens. Along the streets, vibrant flower bushes cascaded over walls down to the sidewalks. It seemed that the small plants and flowers she knew from Danish pots had grown into expansive bushes and trees in Spain. Just outside the window of the bus, Rita saw some fruit hanging on a branch from a tall green tree in a villa garden. Although pear-like, these fruits lacked stems and possessed a rugged surface. The leaves of the tree also differed from those of a pear tree. Rita felt as though she had landed on an entirely different planet. As the traffic light turned green, the bus resumed motion at a reduced speed. Eventually, the bus entered the terminal and came to a halt. The driver turned off the engine, rose from his seat, and shouted something in Spanish before disembarking. This signaled the end of the route. The few passengers on board began to disembark. Rita, situated at the rear, was among the last to exit. Most of the fellow passengers, recognizable by their fair hair, likely tourists from Northern Europe, seemed headed to Granada. They would likely line up for another bus in Almunkar.